Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix VAN9003 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click the Windows icon and restart your computer. As it reboots, repeatedly press the Delete key to enter the BIOS. Depending on your motherboard, the key might be F2, F10, or another, so check your manual. Once inside the BIOS, switch the BIOS mode to Advanced by pressing F7 or selecting the Advanced tab at the top. Then save and exit the BIOS, and then restart your PC. After rebooting, go back into the BIOS. Now navigate to Security and enable Secure Boot. Change it from Disabled to Enabled. Save and reboot once more. Then access the Security tab and select TPM. Make sure to enable the TPM tab and exit the BIOS. After saving, reboot again. To confirm everything's working, open Valorant and play in the practice range or a match for 5 to 10 minutes. If the VAN9003 error doesn't appear, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled correctly. So that's basically how you can fix VAN9003 in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.